Everything you're about to see was created by AI. This logo, this coffee packaging, the menu, Instagram post, even this promotional video. None of this was made in Photoshop, Canva, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. I didn't hire a designer, a branding agency, or a video editor either. It all came from a single platform called Lovart. It took less than 10 minutes. Now here's what makes this interesting. Most AI tools generate one image at a time, then you're stuck jumping from different app to finish the project. But Love Art worked differently. Instead of acting like another AI tool, it behaved like AI created team that built your entire branding from one prompt. So in this video, we are going to explore and create a new brand coffee business completely from scratch. Logo, branding, packaging, social media content, product ads, and even cinematic marketing videos. So if you one AI tool can really replace an entire creative team, so let's get started. So first of all, guys, here is the Love Art dashboard is also available in front of you. And you can also check it out. And you can also, these are some recent type of the things which have been generated from the Love Art. So you can also check out everything which is in front of you. So let me show you. First of all, I'm going with just like that. I'm starting a brand, like the coffee brand. And let me show you how you can also here's generate logo option, design from merch, coffee shop, or add your logo on the cap. Like everything is available. So let me give the prompt and let me share the real experience. So guys, here is everything. I am going to give this is my prompt and let's get started. And guys, here you can check it out. Everything is generated like in front of you, and you can check it out. This is the my whole thing have been generated like the logos, the color combination, like the you can say the menu section. Everything is generated just from a one prompt. And look at that, I didn't hire anyone like a video editor and anything. And this is what we have generated using the Lovart, and this is everything. And let me show you I want to add something more like this. And brand applications are also available, takeaway packages, everything's generated in just one brand kit. Like now I want to create the packaging, how the packaging should be. Like I have given my prompt over there, just click on the generate option, and now our next thing will be started, that how our packaging looks alike. Look at that, guys. Check out the branding of the Lovart. Everything's done so much smoothly over there. And you can check it. This is basically our packaging. And you can check it. The whole cool is that it's looking so much insane. And over there, you can take the ideas from the Lovart and you can put these ideas into the reality. This is what Lovart doing this right now. And let me show you. I want some changes more. And guys, now I want to like change my packaging. Now let's create our like the more things about this. My packaging is already generated. Now I am creating menu section. How the menu should look alike. And now let me show you the menu. And guys, look at that. This is our menu section where you can also check out all our picks are in front of you. You can also select your menu, whatever you want. We just create just using by Lovart one prompt. That is also in sync. And guys, now everything is generated. Now I just want to create social media posts like Instagram and Facebook, all over banners, everything. So let me show you how Lovart goes and make the best social media post for me. So let me show you. So guys, you can check it out. Like that, Lovart also have created one of the bestest posts for me, and you can also check it out. All over things are in front of you, and you can check it out. These are the posts for the Instagram and the Facebook, like things over for the social media basically. So I can upload this on my social media. That look insane, guys. So guys, now let's create something else. Guys, I just want to create the product ads. Now it's time to create up all our product ads, and let me show you how the thing works. And we are going to create the perfect product ads over there. And guys, now look at that. This is our basically product ads over there, and you can check it out. Everything's looking so much insane, and you can check out the pictures. Everything's is bestest and amazing by Lovart. You can also watch out everything. Like it's going so much very well, and you can check it out. The quality is insane, guys. Yeah, I like insane. So let me show you how we can create. This is the most interesting part where we will create videos about our brand. So guys, I have given my prompt successful over there, and Now let me show you the final result how our video will be. So guys, you can check it out. Our video has been generated and let me show you the final results about that.
Brew Haven, crafted with passion, served with purpose. Your coffee sanctuary awaits.
So guys, you can check it out. This is the complete brand is built by the Lovart. You can create literally anything on that, and everything is editable. You can edit literally more anything if you want to edit something like that on this platform. You can also go ahead and do so. And guys, look at that. In the infinite canvas, we have generated a whole brand. And you can check out everything is in front of you. So one of Lovart's most powerful features is Brand Kit, which helps you keep your entire brand identity consistent throughout the creative process. Instead of manually recreating your brand style for every new design, you can bring your logo, brand colors, fonts, images, and other visual elements together in one centralized place. Once your brand kit is set up, Lovart can use these elements when creating new assets, helping every design follow the same visual direction. You can then create multiple assets from social media posters and promotional graphics to campaign visuals while maintaining a consistent brand identity across everything. This makes it much easier to turn one brand identity into a complete polished. And this is where Lovart's editing feature makes the workflow even more flexible. After generating an asset, you don't need to start over or regenerate the entire design just to make a small change. Simply click on the asset, select the text layer you want to edit, and make your changes directly. Whether you want to update a headline, adjust the messaging, or refine specific details, you can quickly edit the existing design while keeping the rest of the creative intact. Because that's what Lovart is doing right now. If you want to make a brand like this, you can also visit all our links in the description. So don't forget to check them out and don't forget to explore Lovart. So we will meet in our next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy.